kiddies, today we're going from Elliston down to Port Augusta at the bottom of the Eyre Peninsula. Hope you enjoy! Well, good morning kiddies. Sun behind me, doing the right thing. Elliston Jetty, apparently. It's a nice coastal route, but I think it might be a dirt road and we're done with dirt roads. Cars getting a bath today. Elliston Jetty, township's over there. Beach is over here. Peach wants to go for a walk on the beach and it ain't, well, maybe a lap and some stairs there. So it says this jetty, so important, 424 metres long. Which, you know, if you've been to Bustleton in Western Australia, that doesn't seem that long, does it? But the township was reliant upon this jetty because there was no roads that came over to it. It was just a, what's it called? It was a ship in, ship out kind of thing. There was no roads that came here. So this was important, and there was lots of things that happened here, like, you know, sheepies and the wool and other stuff had to get in and out, and food. So it was a place where the jetty was important. So Mr. Twister and I will go down these stairs. Down the stairs, silly. Come here. And wander along the beach a bit. And then oh, this is a nice beach. Nice and hard. Sand nice and white and soft. This reminds me of the nice beaches in Albany or Bunbury. Jazzy's off for his little run in the morning. He likes his morning walk on the beach. And it's one of those places you can walk under the jetty. So, I haven't walked under a jetty for a long, long time. Reminds me of America. So, how beautiful is that when you can walk on the nice hard beach? Oh, look at him go. He's obviously impressed. So if you want a nice walk, definitely recommend the beach here. It's a nice hard sand. It's only about 1 kilometre from the township over to the jetty and then one back. But it's just like walking on a road, you can be free. And in the sand, it's a lovely morning. Thoroughly recommend it. Been pooch approved, hasn't it, mate? The beach has been pooch approved. Nobody else here. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning. Not a soul in sight. Wouldn't say it's a great swimming beach. Definitely a nice walking beach though. We've made it to Port Lincoln. How beautiful is that for a walk along thing? Just for a love of walk. Won't be today though. It's had a big walk already. But then you go to this side that's not so beautiful. But great little town. We're just going to check it out. Have a big massage. Staying here for a few days because apparently there's going to be a big storm. So we'll see how the big storm goes. There's us in a little spot. So, no shade. Toilets are just over there though. The swimming pool's just behind one. What a great little spot. Oh. Can't complain about this one. Let's go find the toilet, see if we can find something for killer. Look at that. Now, beware of this beautiful day because apparently it's going to have thunderstorms tomorrow. And look at this caravan park. Imagine if you're fortunate enough to get one of these kind of bays. How good is that? It's got a swimming pool, it's got everything. Just had the most morning. It's I wouldn't call it what they were going to say. They said it was storming into all hunker down, so I didn't go stay anywhere. Uncle Lug's over there, thinks it's the best day out. Still hasn't got out of bed, 10:30, must be in the morning. That's what it's like. It's just a wet day, just a drizzly day really. Which today was going to be a rest day anyway. But it's a drizzly day. Did I need to pay for power? Maybe. Doubt it. Mind you, it was, no, yeah, I did. Because last night it was hot. I had the aircon going till 10 o'clock. And it is humid, so I'd imagine by lunchtime it'll be on again. So, there you go. That's what's happening in the campground. A very packed campground actually. It's they have put bang for buck on this one. I feel like I'm in a car park. So yeah, this is us for the day. Catching up on some TV, doing some editing, and carrying on. Goodness me. Go good doggy park. In Port Lincoln, look at that. It's got toilets, massive trees, barbecue. Whoops, old house. Up there. All the way around. Oh, just for the dog. Well, welcome everyone. We'll be stopping here for a spot of lunch if I can get Killer. There he is, having a great time he is.